welcome to a new vlog, and this is my first vlog in my new vlogging camera. I am like very excited, guys, because I can just see my face and as well as the lens and the background as well when I am filming this. I'm just gonna try with this camera. I don't know where I'm going to go, but I just want to go out and do some vlogging today for you guys because I'm super excited. I want to use this camera right away. So immediately after unboxing this, I'm just gonna start a vlog. So I'm super excited. Let's go into the vlog directly. Zoom. Okay guys, we are inside the tramway now, and I think this is Dubai Park and Resort. So this is my first time here, and this is a very big place, so that's why we are going in this. Thank God they had all these services here, or else we have to walk all the way. So let's see what's here in this area. There is an empty tram there. It's really empty and only a few people are sitting here. No one else is here, guys. I'm a little bit scared because I don't know, because I saw a lot of tramways that people were like coming out and we're just getting inside. Okay. And you know what, guys, all are like going out and we know we came inside because it is like around 11 o'clock here and only now we are entering into this park. Just have a look at this. Wow, I really love this camera because the lighting here is not that good, but this camera is really beautiful and I'm able to look at myself when I'm filming. I love this a lot. Okay guys, so basically this is like village, European theme, and this place is full of restaurants, and this is in a European theme. So we're just hunting for a restaurant right now. I couldn't find any restaurant that is like eye-catchy or which is attracting me towards it. I mean the food. So we are going to go and see what are the different restaurants here. So let's go and see. I think I can see a cheesecake factory there. So maybe we're gonna go there and have some good dinner. So the place behind me looks amazing, guys. Just have a look at this place. Wow, this is so amazing. And this place is full of restaurants. So let's see what we can find for us today. Guys, I thought we can go to the Cheesecake Factory, but it is closed. Too sad, guys. I really love this restaurant a lot, and the cheesecakes here are like but I'm like controlling myself because I don't want to eat a lot of sugar because it's my birthday week and I've had so many cakes, so I don't want to like eat cakes, but anyways I cannot have a cheesecake today because it's closed, guys. So we should find some other restaurant, some spicy restaurant, guys. I do not want to go to some restaurant that doesn't have food that is spicy. So let's see whether we have some other good restaurants here. So finally we ended up in our most favorite restaurant, the Galitos. So we are like super hungry, and so we didn't walk much. So we just entered into the restaurant and we're gonna have a pie. Yeah, and I think this place is full of music, guys. I'm really sorry if the audio is bad. But what about the waiter? No one is coming and attending us. Okay, there's no. I have tried different hairstyles today, guys. Just have a look. Yeah, I literally love this hairstyle and it looks amazing. Guys, just have a look at all the sauces they've arranged here in this shop. Literally, there's just all the different types of sauces they're using here. That's a beautiful. They have just arranged it so beautifully. I love this a lot. And these are the sauces they have given us even here. The same sauces are here in our table as well. Yeah. So yes, so these are the Have a look at my food, guys. It has arrived, and I've ordered hot peri peri chicken and with peri peri chips, and he has ordered some garlic bread with hot chicken. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna eat now. Guys, it's me, so I always end up into a candy factory, and so I have found a candy factory right here. Guys, I feel like it's always the same. It's just like all the other candy stores. There's nothing that different here, but something I found different here was apples. Look at this, guys. It is basically apples, and they've just dipped in chocolate, and it's called Monster Apple. I love this, guys, but it's super colorful. And look at this, guys. They are literally chocolates, but they are in the form of Legos. Oh my god, it's super cool. But something I don't like about these chocolates are, like, added colors. I don't like that. But let's go somewhere and see what other things that we can find in this river land. I didn't show you guys the river here. The river was amazing. I wouldn't show you now. Alright, guys, there is a show going on there. So before showing you the river, I will show you what show is actually going on there. I could hear the music and all, but I don't know what kind of show is that. So let's see what's the show.
Okay. Clap for her. That was awesome. She gave so many complicated moves. That was good. Awesome. So she won on this round. Thank you. You can have a seat. All right.
Guys, as I told you, there is a river here, and obviously it is behind me. There's a beautiful, amazing river, guys, behind me. I really love this river. Just have a look at the whole river. I seriously don't understand how these guys can create an artificial river here in the desert, and it's super amazing. And I heard like there is a cement basement here, just like, we have in all amusement parks and all.